Right, I'm back at this motorbike place. I came here before but didn't get anything because I was expecting it to be cheaper, but I've decided I'm just going to buy one. There's a really nice one over here, but there's loads here and they're all in really good nick. That's why the price is so high. Well, I mean, it ain't that expensive really, you know, compared to what you pay in England or probably elsewhere for that matter. But there's this one here. It's a beastie boy, proper beastie boy. I want to take that one for a ride. I don't know who's in charge of this one. Yeah, I want to take that one. But on that fan. He's got a lot. There's lots here, and it's like it's basically like a motorbike market. So you've got, look, and they're all different sellers. Whose are these?
Yeah. Wow.ได้ไหมครับ อุ้ยได้ไหมได้ไหมอ้าวเอานะครับ
This one.
ปิดกุญแจหรือยังครับ
Oh, this one.
ปิดกุญแจหรือยัง
That's better.
อย่าสนุกไหม
I prefer the pegs.
สนุกไหม
I mean, that yellow one felt a little bit rapid, but it's just the position.
โอ้ยโอ้ย
Good boy. And nick this one. Just going to go round. Fine now. มีไหนอ่ะ มีไหนอ่ะ มาแล้ว มาแล้ว เป็นไงบ้างคะ โอเคไหม ดีไหม ดีไหม เย้ เย้ บอก Oh, that blue one. There was a white one I liked, but there was something not right with it. It was rough at the beginning, so I'm going for this blue one. Just doing the paperwork here, and I've got to do the money part of it. So let's put this down here while I count out my money. Cal, listen. There's the nice man. He's done me a deal. Not much of a deal, but it was a deal. I could count it in Thai. Lung, Song, Sam, Si, Ha, Hot, Jet, Bet, Gao, Sip, Sipet, Sip Song, Sip Sam, Sip Si, and so on. You get the idea. Right, there's your money. Don't let it blow away.
จ่ายมา 1,500 บาทแล้วค้าง 40,000 บาท
40, Jai. Jai, Jai. King was in the counting house, counting out his money. Oh, that's it. Here. That's the one. And that's the tax. And that's the date. Because the date's all upside down the back the front.
เอาลงเปลี่ยนแล้วพี่เนาะเอาพักเท้าลงเปลี่ยนเนาะมันต้องกดเข้าไปนะครับต้องยันเข้าไปแล้วมันจะเด้งออกมาแต่ว่าถ้าเราดึงอย่างมันหลอกออก
ครับ
ครับ
ดึงออกมันจะลำบาก
ดึงออกมันล็อกไว้ครับ
อ๋อ
เราต้องยันแล้วมันจะเด้งออกมา
Right, how did we get the seat up?
รุ่นอื่นไม่เจอ
How does the seat? Ah, chai. Lovely bit of space in there. Get a lot of beers in there. So, this is the little beast. Oh, I bought the bike, but I don't know about all the paperwork. I think it's the same. They send it off, and then it gets posted out to the address. And I think they're gonna drive it up
คุณ
to
แด
me
งมี
condo.
2 ดอกใช่ไหมคะ
If you're in Chiang Mai and you want to buy a bike, come to this man here. He'll do you a deal. He's got lots of bikes, all that sees. All that I've left my wallet here. It's lucky they're honest. He might have had a little. Nah, he wouldn't. Leave your wallet anywhere, mate. I just been to the cash point, get some money out, and I left the card in the machine. I went back and it was there. Security bloke had it. Anyway, that's it. Bike done. Bike bought. Job's a good one. I mean, it's the language is a bit. See, I don't know why she's gone. She's gone to get a shirt. Why can't she just wait till we've done this? Because she's a woman. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, look at some of the bikes here. This is just what this man's selling that I bought this one off of. Lots and lots and lots of bikes. Now they've got these quackies. And they just leave the keys in and you just jump on it and take it for a ride. Yeah, that's just a normal. And that yellow one's got a right on it. There's some really nice. I mean, I would like one of these, but they're just not practical. Do you know what I mean? The one I've got, you can get stuff in it, get bags, beer mainly, under the seat. It's got a little thing at the front you can hang bags on. These are good, but I would like one. But like I said, not practical. He's going to ride my one that I just bought, and I'm going to ride the rental. I think he's going to follow us. I don't know if he knows where he's going. But that's it, bike done. Cheek. Bought that, done that, job done, job's a good one.